Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages? Let's see what we get. Life. Criticism without creativity is just pessimism. The honest way to critique is to create the alternative. Provide helpful feedback to someone today. Life. Lack of information causes generalization. When was the last time you judged someone unfairly by jumping to conclusions? Have you ever done that before? I know I have. Which one has our messages today? Let's do black. Maybe they'll come out. For me, a calm house equals a calm heart equals a calm life. How long people are together says nothing about the health of the relationship or happiness. Your actions told me to stop, so I did. When you can hear a smile in someone's voice, that's my favorite. I don't mind struggling with you, but I will not struggle because of you. And the last one today. No one can degrade you. They degrade themselves. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.